Welcome to the Steam Princess. I'm Ray. Today we're going to make a lemon volcano. This is a science experiment. What you need is a spoon, food coloring, lemon juice, or lemon, dishwashing liquid, and baking soda. First, cut the ends of the lemon. And my mummy did. Now mash the insides. Make sure you don't go all the way through. So first, put food coloring in. Whoa. Next, put a squeeze of this dishwashing liquid in. Now, you put some bicarb soda in. Add some lemon juice. It's going all bubbly. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my video.